Because, and if you ask people around here how they, what the process is, I reckon, because nobody teaches, your mum doesn't go, this is exactly how you do it.
Bernie, maybe question.
No.
Maybe we kind of keep it classy.
No.
And not talk about wiping our
It's still classy. It's called Tammy Poo. I've actually written it. Oh, is it? No, it's dunny paper. It's called dunny paper. I've written it.
Do you remember on Molly when we walked in?
Mine's pretty simple.
Go on, Kevin Carlin, our director.
No, but we were talking and we went across and it was Sam talking to Cool. We said, what are you talking about? And he said, he's asking how many times the most amount you've masturbated in a day.
Typical same conversation. And what was the answer?
Well, what would your answer be?
Probably 10.
Don't answer, Tammy. Don't answer.
Oh, shit. Even if you're at work with us all day.
Yeah, just on both any of these rooms.
Or sit in that chair.
Kevin, you've just taken this to a whole nother level.
Oh, sorry.
What was the
What's
number?
your
Was there a
answer?
number?
I'm not
not divulging.
You started this conversation.
It gets better.
I think there was another called 13, wasn't it? 13 a day. Well, that was the most.
But what
The
does
most.
it take guys like
Like mine, 9
30
shits a day. That's the most.
Just when you're not constipated or when you're not.
That's just regular.
No, that's regular. That was 9 regular shits a day.
That's me talking.
And how did you buy?
Hey?
Anyway, this is how Tammy wipes her ass.
Well, this is I did my whole spiel. You can watch the video on Tammy's thing.
He's got like a technique, it's like a circus trick.
No,
Where kind of like, I just want
Layer
to
upon layer upon
and then
Let's see what length you've got there, Tam.
Is there Sarah Lee?
It's about the same length.
Yes, 5 squares.
About the same length, right?
Roll it back the way I
Well, it's saving trees.
on the
Have you
left.
spoken to Leah about that?
I cannot believe I'm fucking sharing
Hang on,
this.
listen, this is a good bit. Listen. Hang on, you gotta listen to this bit.
I've got lots of paper between. But I did this cheeky little thing, and it's not too weird. With this little finger, when I'm wiping, I just kind of get it just in a little bit. I don't have to worry about extra stuff.
What do you mean?
Like he's in there.
Yeah.
It
So
goes
this,
deep.
yeah, not deep.
To get to the like
Just
that.
goes in a little bit.
Oh, the middle
If I'm
finger.
wiping my bottom like that.
Yeah.
Then I'll just have this finger just do a little rim push.
It's safe to say we didn't get Bernard Crew. We got Jake the
And
Snake
then
today.
this
And
card.
then it's in the bowl.
Okay, that's one. You do one wipe.
This is blackmail.
Oh, then you go again. Okay.
Questions. It's time for questions.
5 poo tickets.
Yeah, I got questions.
We can turn that one off now. We can turn that off.
Second one.
That's,
And this one.
Fuck me sideways.